now I've kind of repositioned myself to be able to hedge against potentially losing here on Tesla. Let me show you the chart and how it looks and what we're looking at here. Essentially today I got into TSLL. We put about $3,600 into TSLL with an average cost of 665. So 665 is right here. And as you can see, I was anticipating that this would reverse and continue up. And as you guys know, we've seen a consistent uptrending pattern with Tesla. I was considering buying at this higher price point because I would think that it's going to continue back to previous highs that we've seen. And if we look at support and resistance, we can easily see that, there's a clear support here, right? We got really a resistance here on the past 3 days. And I guess what I was looking at is I was anticipating that I'd be able to ride this up and it would use this EMA here as a support. What we saw is that it continued to go down. Now, I've already used all of my day trades for the week. I have a bigger account over at Charles Schwab. I'm probably going to be moving over so I can do the PDT rule, which means you can make more than 4 trades. You can make as many trades as you want in your accounts. But right now, since I don't have over $25,000 in my account, they only let you make 3 or 4 trades a week or every 5 trading days, something like that, right? So I don't have any more trades left, but here's how I kind of dealt with it. And actually right now, my position is basically I'm just hedging against having any loss and or having a little bit of loss or a little bit of gain. So I had more risk in at 3,600. I didn't want to, if this shot up 10% or down 10% in this volatile moment, retesting this support, then, and if it didn't and it continued down, I'd be out. We could see a 10% drop. So I don't want that to happen. So what I did is, as you guys know, this is TSLL. It is Tesla stock, but it is Tesla stock times 2, right? So they also have the inverse of Tesla over here. So it's called TSLS, but this one, it's not times 2. So TSLL, when Tesla goes up by 1%, TSLL goes up by 2%. TSLS is the inverse of Tesla, but it's 1x. So if Tesla goes down 1%, then TSLS, it goes down just 1%. So it's congruent percentage wise. So what I went ahead and did is I bought twice as much as the TSL, just a little bit less than twice as much, because I still believe that it could recover. So I just basically took my risk down to now really only investing what is about $900. And it's just a very volatile time. I didn't want to take a chance today on a Friday. I have to hold this position through the weekend because I don't have any more day trades left this week. So rather than maybe being marked as a pattern day trader and getting my account suspended by doing more day trades, or rather than holding the bag and maybe taking a gamble that it goes up or down over the weekend, we could see a sharp movement between now and Monday, and I just don't really want to hold throughout the weekend. So rather than just buying or selling, which I'm not able to do, I just went ahead and bought the inverse, right? So I bought the inverse and I'm hedging against my position. And now if this stock goes up, I'll make about, if it goes up 10%, I'll make $90. If it drops 10%, I'll lose $90, right? If I realize that gain or loss. So it's like, it's not even, I don't see it moving 10%. It could happen, but let's just say, it does what it's doing. It opens Monday in a similar range. I don't lose or gain really any money at all because I'm hedging against my position here with the inverse. It's a tough one. You want to see it go up and you want to take a gamble, but this week you know, I was already starting the day off green as we made an order today. I sold GOOX, and GOOX I sold right at market open today for a profit. So if we look on the 1 day, it started today up, what is that, to $29. So is that today? Yeah, so it started today up 29. I sold at 29.53 this morning. So I actually got a really nice exit. I sold at 29.53, right? So, or was that right? I think so. Sorry, 28.53 is where I sold. So it spiked, sold at 28.53, and since then, it's gone up a little bit, but I made a profit on this one. So I'm up on the day, as you can see, 0.49%, right, on the day. So overall on the day, I'm up 0.49%, you know, ending the week in the green. Sometimes you take your risk. Sometimes you want to go bigger or go smaller. I thought, you know, I'm already up 0.5% today. We don't need to do anything crazy. Let's just hedge off this position and end the week on a green note. So that's where we're at. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you all. For those of you guys that would like to watch me trade live in the morning and actually see our position's actually already up to 0.55%. We'll see if it, as I said, I'm not fully hedged. So if TSLS continues its direction, we could actually see it and the green even more today, but we'll see. So when it comes down to investing in the stock market, I try to help you guys take the guessing out of it, and that's what we do. Recently had a lot of growth in our community where we're surrounding ourselves with other investors, entrepreneurs, and traders. And so, you know, I think we're doing some amazing stuff. It's not going to really get better than this deal that we have with StockMate, because I'm just launching StockMate right now. So this is really one of our best deals that we're ever going to have. And then after that, you know, we don't know the price is going to go up. It's going to go up. And that's just because of, you know, the nature of how we are operating. Because right now I am giving out all of my trades, sharing with you guys exactly what I'm investing in. It's powerful. You know, I don't know that there's anyone else that has been consistently sharing how to invest on Robinhood in the way that we invest each and every day. And so, again, now we see it's up 0.62%. We're actually going up even more today. Maybe we end the day in the green above 1%. Right now, if you want to get into StockMate, you can get $200 off with the coupon code down below. And we have a great discount for you guys for a limited time. So do take advantage of that if you'd like to watch me trade live as soon as Monday. See you guys at Market Open.